Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple videos to Instagram Story. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here's how you can add multiple videos to your Instagram Story. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. From the home screen, swipe to the right to open the Story camera. Once you're on the Story screen, tap on the small gallery icon at the bottom left corner to open your media. Inside the gallery, tap on the two-square icon at the top right to enable multi-select. Now you can scroll through your videos and select multiple clips at once. After choosing the videos you want, tap Next. Instagram will automatically add the selected videos to your story. Here, you'll see all the clips added. You can reorder them by dragging each video back and forth, then tap the next arrow and share your story when you're ready. Keep in mind that this built-in option is quite basic. If you want more advanced editing features, such as combining clips creatively or playing multiple videos at the same time, it's better to use a video editing app like CapCut. CapCut is completely free and available on both iPhone and Android. After installing CapCut, open the app and tap on New Project. Select the videos you want to use and tap Add. Once the videos are loaded, swipe through the editing options at the bottom and select Aspect Ratio. Choose the TikTok 9:16 ratio, which is the same format used for Instagram Stories and Reels. Then confirm by tapping the checkmark. Now you'll see your videos on the timeline. You can tap on any clip to crop it, replace it, resize it, or overlay one video on top of another. CapCut also allows you to place multiple videos on the screen at the same time and resize them so they play simultaneously. You can add 2, 3, or even more videos in one frame. When you're done editing, tap the Export button at the top right. The video will be saved to your gallery, and you can then upload it directly to your Instagram story. And that's it. So that is how you can add multiple videos to Instagram Story. So that's all for this video. Thanks.